the first thing, why would one choose or prefer to be a full-time day trader? Okay, Shivam, would you like to begin?
Hi everyone, I am Shivam Verma and I would like to tell about why everyone wants to be a day trader. Because it comes with the financial independence. Like in corporate job, we have some pressure of managers, but while doing the day trading, we are independent. We are able to do our own jobs. Like we can do our own trades on our own instant.
Hello everyone, my name is Haridhar. So adding to the Shivam point, I think day trading. So if anyone don't want to carry out their positions and want to just close out the position on the day itself and don't want to take the overnight risk, so I think that type of trading is for these type of people. Although I find it stressful to me personally, I would like to know your thoughts. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you, Haridhar.
Yeah,
Hi,
I'd
this
like to
is
add as well. Sorry, yeah.
yes. This is Aman. I'm going ahead. So, idea is like you want to be profitable while doing any trading activity. So, if you are profitable and have some strategies in mind which can be executed during the course of the day, you want to do that, right? And on those lines, like the idea is to get your idea tested in the markets and float it around, and that gives you financial independence, as rightly pointed by Shivam as well. It's something if we can achieve on a consistent basis, nothing better from job perspective, or in some sense it's entrepreneurial as well. So yeah, that's what motivates one to go for intraday trading.
Okay,
Thanks.
thanks, Aman.
Yeah, but
Anybody else?
Is it
to
good?
be honest, I think the second speaker just pointed out in terms of stress levels. To be honest, I don't think I have necessarily experienced a reduction in stress levels post switching from my regular job to day trading. Although yeah, if you do well, it does provide you with financial independence and so on. But in terms of the amount of stress that you have to take in on a day-to-day basis, it is probably up there with a regular job.
So is the stress that you're talking about because of because you think that uh, you would not have like a system in place, or probably the capital that you're using for daily trading would be something that it would be very would be a big loss if in case you lose it. What could be the causes of the stress?
Yeah, I mean it's your own money that you're at the end of the day, it's your own capital that you're putting forward, right? So days that don't go well, even if you have a reasonably good setup which has in terms of Sharp ratio and in terms of all your back testing and everything, it seems to have worked fine in history, and it most likely will work fine in the future as well. Even, but you're bound to come across a few days which are bad. So it does play in your mind that you never think of the fact that okay, I'm going to most likely cover up my losses in the next 2 or 3 days or so on. The days which are bad are normally they play on your mind quite often, and you tend to forget those days and you'd most likely cover it up.
Would it be
So a
like
quick
different
follow-up
from any other
question for
business?
yeah. So a
Yeah,
quick
sorry, go
follow-up
ahead.
question for Rohan here, or Roshan, I guess. Yeah. So idea is like, are you like, just wanted to understand, are you trading a systematic strategy, or it's more about you're taking calls bit randomly while you're doing this intraday trading, as in like if your stop losses and take profits are kind of already figured out, or is it something which is which you identify during the
Uh,
course of the day itself?
uh, so I would like to interrupt actually. So my system is not fully automated. I have backtested few strategies and the system is there for like, risk management and all. But I'm placing my trades by my own. So in that terms, I'm saying like this is more stressful. I don't know what is the case with other people, but like those intraday strategies are not having like as far as I have researched the strategy. We are not having much better results as compared to the swing trading strategies. Like I'm getting a signal like 4 to 5 times a month. Those signals are very much profound and easy to trade as compared to the intraday. And yeah, I would like to know your point on that.